We are going to introduce our new mobile access solution, Suprema Mobile Access. This is contents of today's webinar. Firstly, we will review why Suprema Mobile Access card needs. For the next, we will check difference between Biostar 2 mobile card and Suprema Mobile Access. After that, I will explain system configuration of Suprema Mobile Access and card and license information. All information are given, then we will share how to use Suprema Mobile Access card from the beginning. The last QA session will be following at the last. If you're ready, then let's start. First, why Suprema Mobile Access card? As you know, we have started our business with fingerprint devices like BioStation and BioEntry Plus, and later then we extended our lineups with face recognition devices such as Face Station, and some of you may remember D-Station, it was also face recognition device. And RFID with XPass and XStation. After with Biostar 2, we have upgraded our lineup with better performance. And now we have full Biostar 2 lineups. As you know, the market trend is always changing and we are wondering what credential is going to be highlighted for the future. Lots of market reports says about mobile access card. It is said it will grow fast soon and there will be lots of opportunities from the mobile end. I also agree with it. Then why? I guess there are several reasons for it. I pointed out some reasons. I believe it is because convenience, security, universally, and it is untagged and contactless solution. First of all, it is convenient and more secure. You can use it by tagging your smartphone as same as RFID card, and you can issue and control the mobile access card in remote place. So in terms of management from administrator, it is more convenient. Finally, it is more secure since all communication points are encrypted by AES 256, and also the entire system and operation are ISO 27001 certified, and it means all of privacy information is protected properly, and also smartphone itself has the self-security solutions like fingerprint, PIN code, or better auth mode. So compared to RFID system, it is more convenient and secure. And universally, over 3.5 billion people, which is almost half of the world population, are using smartphones. So it can be considered as the most common credential. And there are only two types of mobile phone in the world, Android or iPhones. So it means there are only few things you need to check when you want to install the access control system based on the mobile access card. And it works mostly. In case of fingerprint, some people with dry fingerprint or damaged fingerprint, it does not work. But mobile access card, it mostly work. Due to the coronavirus situation in these days, people are worrying about touching something. And in some other world where the population is decreasing, On-tech solution to make an unmanned system is big issue. I guess mobile access card solution can help both cases. So, since the mobile access card uses BLE and NFC technology, people do not need to touch something that other people touch it. And the mobile access card is issued by email or SMS. So, the operator does not need to meet the user face to face. Lastly, the mobile access card, sometimes we can revoke, pause, cancel the card by just simply using the cloud portal site. Due to these facts, lots of experts expect the mobile access card as the next major credential in the access control world. Then why Suprema Mobile Access Card solution? We can tell you that there are 3 reasons. The first reason is that we have the best performance in the screen off background mode. Until now, to use the mobile access card in both Android or iOS, NFC and BLE are the options you can use in Android device. And BLE, Bluetooth, is the only way with iOS. NFC is fast and reliable method for remote communication. And Bluetooth is an optimal method. With these technologies, Suprema supports good quality of mobile card service. The second reason is customizable design. These are samples of custom card design. Please notice that custom card design is now supported in dynamic card license environment. We will check what dynamic card is in the backside. In the custom card window, you can add fields or change the background image of the card as you want. The last reason is the powerful credential option in Biostar 2. Another point is we have Biostar 2. With Biostar 2, you can do the total credential management and use each credentials for required access points. For example, you can use the fingerprint for data server room, an RFID card for normal doors, or also you can choose to use the centralized control or distributed system in accordance with end-user site environment. So you can use the mobile access card with multiple credentials at the same time with flexible system configuration. This will be one of the biggest difference from other brands. The next, we will check what is different between the Biostar 2 mobile card and Suprema Mobile Access. If you used Suprema Mobile service before, you may conjure up the Biostar 2 mobile card, which is our older mobile service. If you already have a mobile system, then you can question why you need to review the Suprema Mobile Access for the future. For easy comparison, I prepared a table on the screen. As you can see, Biostar 2 mobile card is with Biostar 2 mobile application, and Suprema Mobile Access runs through AirFop Pass, which is a different app. Previously, Biostar 2 mobile card, which was serviced by Suprema, was issued as a smart card format. However, there is a big difference that Suprema Mobile Access is issued with a CSN card. In the case of issuing cards, the Biostar 2 mobile card was available through Biostar 2 and mobile application, but Suprema Mobile Card Credit was issued through the management portal called Biostar 2 and AirFop portal. Among the products currently available, devices other than XPass 2 can use the Biostar 2 mobile card. XPass 2 can only use Suprema Mobile Access, and there is no schedule to support Biostar 2 mobile card. So, when will Suprema's other products be supported with Suprema Mobile Access card? Currently, the XPass D2 Revision 2 device will be released soon, and rest of devices are also expected to be released within this year. For your information, Biostar 2 mobile card is scheduled to be discontinued in September 2020. If you are considering a new project to use mobile service, request to review the use of Suprema Mobile Access. If you have any questions, please leave through the Q&A box or raise your hand. We'll happy to answer your questions. If there is no questions anymore, we're gonna move on to the next page. Let's talk about the system configuration now. How the system consists of. First of all, our mobile access card, we now have a new brand name, AirFop. Our AirFop consists of the AirFop portal for user management and card issuance, and the application for AirFop Pass is for mobile access card application. If we see the entire system, there will be Biostar 2 in the local, and the internet connection will be required to communicate with AirFop portal. And of course, AirFop portal will be on the cloud. Basically, you can do the user management separately from the cloud side, but since Biostar 2 is integrated with the AirFop portal from 2.7.12 version, you can do it from Biostar 2. So if you can enroll user from Biostar 2, and the user data will be synchronized to the readers connected. When you issue the mobile access card from Biostar 2, then it makes a command to the cloud to enroll that user in the cloud through the AirFop portal API, and also issue the mobile access card to the user's email. In the email, there will be a download link, and if you touch it from your mobile phone, you will get the card, and you can just use your phone by tagging on to our reader. This is frequently asked questions about Suprema Mobile Access system configuration. Let's check answers for each question. Question 1. Suprema Mobile Access can be applied with centralized solution or only distributed solution. The answer is, you can use it to centralized system, or you can use it to distributed system also. Question 2. If I install 2 readers to in and out for a door, there will be an issue to open the door. The answer is, Bluetooth strength is measured very differently. So when you tag your reader from outside, it does not work to the inside reader. We can also set up the Bluetooth distance for these cases. It is a new feature, so it might be a little bit difficult. One thing, Let me explain clearly. What is the difference between the general card and AirPod Pass card number generation? The card numbers of the EM card, MyFair card, and HID cards, as we know them, are all made by the card manufacturer and programmed into the card. Because of this, in order to know the programmed card number, there is a process of scanning the card directly to the device to visually check and register the number. On the other hand, the card number of AirPod Pass is the number created by the administrator through the Biostar 2 user credentials mobile button. Currently, only one card number method is supported for the CSN method, and other types will be available after that. Earlier, we looked into what Suprema Mobile Access is and what kind of system configuration it has. From now on, we would like to learn about the cards and licenses to use the Suprema Mobile Access service. Before we check card type and license, we would like to introduce several items before. Firstly, Suprema Mobile Access service names are changed from April 27th. Suprema Mobile Credential to Suprema Mobile Access, and portal name changed to AirPod Portal. The app name and icon has been changed also. We also improved some features too. The first and the biggest difference is supporting card type change. We have two card types as the image on the front. Regular card is the one you used before in Biostar 2712. With regular card, 1 credit will be decreased per 1 card issuing. The regular card does not have time limit, so you can use the card as long as you want. Dynamic card is a new feature for customers who wants to service in the sites where frequently user change happens, such as fitness center, membership lounge, or shared places. 1 credit is valid on 1 device for 1 month. With Dynamic Card, you can issue unlimited number of cards as you want during the period. For your understanding, I prepared a sample of Dynamic Card credit. Let's assume that you are planning to run the service for 36 months. You are planning to install 2 devices for in and out. If you use Dynamic Card in the site, then you will earn 72 credits. If you'd like to purchase license or want to get more information about license policy, please contact your regional sales representative for further support. But before we move on to the next page, I'd like to give you a notification about Biostar about the cards type limitation on the latest Biostar 2 version 2.7.14 now. Currently, Biostar 2 does not support Dynamic Card and supports only regular card now. But we are planning to support Dynamic Card also in our further version. These are frequently asked questions about Suprema Mobile Access card type and license. Let's check answers for each question. Question 1. When ordering, how will we define dynamic from fixed? The answer is, when you order, you can just order a credit. How to define is decided when you apply in regular type site or dynamic type in your AirPod site at first. Question 2. In line with dynamic, if I have 10 credits, then is it equivalent up to 10 devices valid for 1 month? The answer is yes, you are right. Or you can use 1 devices with 10 months. Question number 3. In a dynamic type means it is not recommended to use for a regular employee, right? This is designed more on membership and events only. The answer is yes, you're right. It is for membership management. Next, we will check some more information about Suprema Mobile Access. I prepared 8 questions to share and summarize information as front. Question 1. How can you get the mobile access license policy and how can you purchase mobile credential credits? Answer. Please contact Suprema Regional Sales Representative. If you do not know the exact sales representative, please contact Suprema through our official website. Question 2. Can we keep using Biostar 2 mobile card if it has been used? How does the policy go for Biostar 2 mobile card? The answer is Biostar 2 mobile card will be discontinued from September 2020. Once you upgrade new firmware to devices, you will be not available to use current Biostar 2 mobile card. Please visit the site and find more information. Question number 3. What if we use Express 2 and other Suprema devices such as Biostation A2 and want to use more mobile credential? The answer is you need to use different credential, mobile card, fingerprint, RF card, and etc. for Biostation A2. This is the result from April 2020. Question number 4. What happens to the existing customer after AirFob portal changed? The answer is no effect on the existing license and functionalities, only UI changes. Question number 5. What happens to the existing Biostar 2 integration and API calls? The answer is existing customers can use the same settings and API URLs. No changes are needed. Question number 6. Can a regular card use the custom card? The answer is not currently. We will add this feature later. Question number 7. Would multi-card work for regular cards? The answer is yes, multi-card is supported regardless of regular or dynamic. Question number 8. What happens to the URL address after AirFob portal changed? The previous URL was mc.suprema.io, but it will just redirect to the new portal address mc.mochainc.com. Question number 9. Can you import CSV files to get user information? The answer is we are working on this feature. We will keep you updated once it is ready. If you have any questions, please leave your questions through QA box or please click the raise your hand button to speak out through the microphone. If there is no questions, we're gonna move on to the next step. This is our last part in Suprema Mobile Access webinar. We will check how to use Suprema Mobile Access in your site in detail. This is the overall procedure to use Suprema Mobile Access in Biostar 2.7.12. It is organized in 6 steps as front, and you also can find details from the linked articles below. The most important thing you have to prepare and remember was that the device should be cleared in factory default configuration. And you have to register the device in the portal first and the Biostar tool following. But from Biostar 2.7.14 with new AirPod portal, the device registration and card registration process has been simplified. For your easy understanding, we prepared full setup guide through a video. Let's see. Suprema Mobile Access is supported from Biostar 2.7.12. The feature has been updated in Biostar 2.7.14. Please make sure that your Biostar 2 version is correct. Step 1. Join AirPod portal. Please check the AirPod portal address. The portal has been renewed since April 27, 2020. If you are new, please sign up the AirPod portal. Authentication code for your account will be delivered to your email. Paste the code and keep going for the sign-up process. Please review privacy and terms on the page. If you agree all items, please click Agree button. Please keep going for the sign-up process. Please log in to the AirPod portal. Create your site in the portal. In the AirPod portal, two types of sites are supported, dynamic and regular. Choose regular for using with Biostar 2 server. Click your site and check your information. Go to the site and on the left bottom, and please remember the site ID. Please click the license at the last part of the menu list to see the number of credits. 50 credits are given when a new site is created. No maintenance credits are given in default. Step 2. Configure Biostar 2 Mobile Access. Go to Biostar 2, Settings, Mobile Credential. Put admin account of AirPod portal. Please make sure to put the same site ID as portal. If all information filled out, Connect button will be activated. Click Connect button to synchronize data with AirPod portal. Step 3. Register the device. In Biostar 2.7.12, and formal Suprema Mobile Credential application, you have to prepare factory default device. You have to register the device from the Suprema Mobile Credential app first, and then add the device in the Biostar 2 as following. While from Biostar 2.7.14, you can add device from Biostar server to AirPod portal directly. Click Add button and choose your device in the list. After adding the device in Biostar 2 server, you can find the device from the AirPod portal as well. Step 4. Enroll user with Suprema Mobile Access. Before you activated Suprema Mobile Access, you only can find fingerprint, face, and card information from user credential. But after activate Suprema Mobile Access, you can find mobile credential from user page. Make sure to add an email address in user information. Enter card number to use Suprema Mobile Access. You can input card number manually or assign user ID as card ID. Click Apply. The user information in Biostar 2 will be synchronized with devices and AirPod portal automatically. If you go to the AirPod portal, you can find the card with status before activated. When you click the user, you can edit user information such as title, department, and user photo. You can check the Suprema Mobile Access card from Preview. You can find the updated user information. The card status is before activated. After the user downloads the card in the AirPod Pass app, you can find the card status changed to activated. Step 5. Issue a card and check the operation. Open your email and find your Suprema Mobile Access card. Click Download Mobile Access Card button. If you did not install AirPod Pass app, the link will be redirect to the installation page. You also can find the app from Google Play or App Store. Click the card Download button from your mobile phone. If you already installed the AirPod Pass app, it'll show the app redirect through the redirection. You need to agree allow turn on the Bluetooth or NFC depends on your device. If you're using iPhone, then you need to enable the Bluetooth. If you go to the Biostar tool monitoring events log menu, you can find the user authentication log like the sample. This is the end of today's session. Now we would like to close the webinar today. Thank you for your attending, and we hope today's presentation helped you well.